Hi everyone, this is Ron from Neon, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use our interest browser tool to find and sort the Facebook audiences. Once you land on the tool, you can analyze interests. First, choose a keyword that describes the targeted audience and see which interests Facebook has to offer. Here, for the sake of the example, we just chose the keyword vegetable. The interest browser offers you a list with related interests based on the initial keyword. At this point, you can copy this list to your clipboard and add it to the dedicated spot in your Facebook Ads Manager. Besides that, you can also create a collection, like for any other tool that we have, with a plus button in the sidebar. To add a keyword to a collection, it works like the hashtag analyze. So you have to click on the keyword, a blue bar will appear in the bottom, and here you can just click on add to collection, choose the right collection, and save it there. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below.